Hello and welcome. My name is Christopher Flatt and this is my short presentation on the Commis Chef Larder section, BecomeAChef UK at www.becomeachef.co.uk. So what is the larder section? The larder section is a cold section in a professional kitchen. It's where the chefs will be producing the cold salads, the garnish plates and cold starters. Cold starters may include things like a pate or a smoked salmon starter. So you'd have your smoked salmon, arranged on your plate, maybe with some buttered brown bread, a lemon and some salad. Other things you'll be doing include making salads such as a Caesar salad or a Nicoise salad. Preparing garnishes for other sections. For this, in some kitchens, the larder section will be, getting the salad garnish ready for, say, burgers that are being produced on the meat section. Jobs when running the larder section. First of all, you need to check the quality and the freshness of the ingredients. So things like tomatoes and peppers, you need to check them for any blemishes and they will all need to be washed. Salads will all need to be washed. Everything needs to be checked for the quality and make sure it is still fresh and ready to eat. Other jobs include making dressings and cutting different vegetables and salad items such as a spring onion or tomatoes. You would also be plating starters, making salads and possibly making sandwiches. You'll be doing the service, making dressings and making garnishes, possibly for burgers as explained earlier. You'll also be doing stock rotation and the ordering. So Commis Chef jobs on the larder section. So the larder section is generally run by a very strong commis. However, when you first start on there as the Commis Chef, you will be doing the jobs such as preparing leaf salad. This means the leaf will be coming in, you'll be checking it, discarding any bad leaves, washing the salad and either cutting it or just tearing the leaves ready for service. Other jobs include cutting tomatoes, so this will be taking the eye out of the tomatoes and either slicing them or cutting them into wedges or dicing them, making vinaigrettes, making salad dressings such as French dressing, mayonnaise, Caesar dressing. Other jobs can include making croutons, poaching eggs, portioning pates, making sandwich fillings and making the sandwiches. Slicing meats. When using the meat slicer, make sure you have been trained on the meat slicer. You may be slicing whole hams or slicing blocks of cheese. For example, other jobs include cutting lemon wedges, cooking lentils, cooking pulses, cooking beans. These can all be used in salads. Choosing good avocados. Avocados are used a lot in kitchens. They can be used for guacamole. They can be used in salads such as a tomato and avocado salad. They can be used in burgers. So learning how to pick a good avocado is a very good skill. You also will be blanching vegetables such as green beans for a Nicoise salad or new potatoes also that can be used in a Nicoise salad. You also need to organise the section with equipment. So make sure you've got enough plates, make sure you've got your section set up so you're not going to run out of equipment during a service. You'll also be keeping your fridges clean and rotated. So some tips for the Commis Chef on the larder section. Ask to practice new skills. So even though you're on the larder section, just keep an eye at what's going on in the rest of the kitchen. And if you see a chef, say, preparing a pasta or something that you find interesting, just ask him, to jump in and try and learn new skills throughout the kitchen. And there is a lot to learn on the larder section. There's a lot of different salads, there's a lot of different dressings, there's a lot of different mayonnaises. When you write a prep list for a larder section, it is generally the longest list in the kitchen sections, and it'll be, especially after a very busy day, the next day you can have a really long list. So it's really important to learn how to organise yourself to get through the list and ready for service. Always have a good peeler, always. Learn the types of salads. So there is many different types of leaf salads. These could include baby gem salad, rocket salad, baby spinach salad, Lola Rosso salad, frizzy salads, and the list goes on. Just Google salads, different types of salads, and trying to learn them. Also, you need to learn the types of dressings. There are loads of different types of dressings for salads that you can learn to use on your section. Practice plating of dishes for speed. So when you're doing a service, the tickets come in, you see the ticket, you organise yourself, you make the starter and you send it out. This process needs to be practiced, and it's something that gets learned with the more practice you do, especially on a busy day or a busy evening when there's a lot of tickets coming in. You really need to organise yourself and learn how to plate things efficiently, but really to good quality. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Christopher Flatt. You can get me at BecomeAChef UK. Please don't forget to subscribe below and come and visit me at www.becomeachef.co.uk.